no more there, After that, FSCT had given on lease the school to MES, I think. And at that time, when MES took over the management of the school, they took some about 10 to 15 years, I think, is it not, to run the school, And the glory has diminished like anything. At this juncture, FSCT had put a tender to run the school, to undertake the school and run the school. Fortunately, Kasturba English Medium Trust approached the management, and the orders were given to Kasturba English Medium School to take over the school on lease basis. At the time when the takeover was there, so many problems were there. But with God's grace, we have faced everything, and the school was run in a smoother manner, But nowadays, to run a school, and that too on lease, the lease rent we have to remit, and the expenditure for the teachers and maintenance is going higher every year. But we cannot increase the fees like anything. There is a limitation for everything. And when we approach the financial side of the school, now the school is not able to meet the income and expenditure now. That's the situation now come on. The fact management should at least give some remission in the lease rent or something like that. It's an old building, Udyoganda schools is an old building. Maintenance of the building itself it consumes a huge amount of money. And the other thing is that building, the cabling of the school was laid up some about 57 years ago. You can imagine that. And that cabling is not proper. And thereby the electricity cost also increases. And this has to be curtailed. We have approached the management, in fact, the management to see into these matters. They have given an assurance they will see to it, but for the last 1 year we have been approaching them. See, without getting some consideration from the management, it will be very difficult for us to run the school to achieve the past glory of the school. That's what I have to say. But anyway, the parents who are cooperating, the teachers are very highly cooperative, and the students also take their higher motiveness in this school. I appreciate everybody, and I think that we can all join and together run the school to get the glory of the future, glory of the past of the school. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, let me invite Mrs. Vidya M., Advisory Member of Kasturba Educational Trust, is a well-known person for her contribution in the field of education. She marked 31 years of experience in her career as a teacher. Ma'am, we are eagerly waiting for your valuable words.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected Chairman Shri K.P. Lakshman Iyer, distinguished guests, staff members, dear parents and beloved students, good evening to all of you. I'm really honored to be a part of this program, that is the 57th annual day celebrations of this great institution, FACT Udyoga Mandal School, Elur. It's indeed a privilege to witness the wonderful program of this great institution held at MKK Nair Hall. MKK Nair was a visionary in the inception of all the schools in Fact Township. Salutes to the great visionary. Dear students, I know very well that all of you are impatiently waiting for the most highlighted event of the day. What's it? Prize distribution ceremony. So I will not take much of your time. And our parents, dear parents, you are all very proud to see your child, your students, your children receiving prizes for their achievements in various events held during this academic year. I congratulate all the winners and participants as well. And after that, we are also eagerly waiting for the most beautiful moments of the day, Navarasa, the symphony of emotions. Under the meticulous guidance of management, principal, staff members, mentors, and parents, the students have been making their practices for so many days. So I wish all the very best to each and every one of you to perform well today. I also appreciate the management, principal, teaching and non-teaching fraternity of the school, their mentors, parents, and all students for your relentless efforts to make this event a perfect one. And I also wish everything, all the best, grand success for today's program and for all the programs coming in this academic year. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Aravind Lakshman, correspondent, Kasturba Educational Trust, and principal of Kasturba English Medium School, Manyamal. He is a strong pillar of support for our school. I would like to request Mr. Aravind Lakshman to felicitate us with his valuable words.
Honorable Chief Guest Srimati Rajalakshmi Jiji, respected Chairman Sri K.P. Lakshmanaya, Managing Trustee Srimati Sundari Lakshman, School Manager Amrita Gomati, School Mentor Srimati Lakshmi Rajaram, Sri E.K. Sethu Sir, Srimati Vidya Murali Ma'am, PTA President Srimati Nisha Jitin, Principal Srimati Needu Lakshmi, teachers, parents, and my dear students. A very good evening to all. It's given me great happiness to offer my felicitation on the occasion of our 57th Annual Day celebration. Today is a proud moment for all of us, and we come together to celebrate our school's growth and achievements. When we took charge of this institution in 2020 December, our goal was to bring positive changes and strengthen the school in all aspects. Over the years, with teamwork and cooperation from teachers, staff, and parents, we have been able to move steadily in the right direction. I express my sincere appreciation to our teachers for their dedication and hard work throughout the year. I also thank our parents for their continuous support and trust in our school. To my dear students, you are the most important part of this institution. Make use of every opportunity given to you. Focus on your studies, participate in activities, and always try to learn new things. Please reduce unnecessary mobile phone use and spend more time reading and developing your skills. Parents, I request you to spend time with your children at home, guide them and encourage them. Your involvement plays a major role in shaping their future. I congratulate all the performers and prize winners of today's program. Participation itself is a great achievement and I am proud of all our students. A heartfelt thanks to everyone who worked behind the scenes to organize this annual day and make it as a memorable evening. Let us continue to work together to take FACT Udyamandal School to greater heights. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now let me invite Mrs. Nisha Jidin, our PTA President, for the felicitations.
Good evening to all. Good evening to one and all gathered here, respected principal, dear teachers, loving parents, special guests, and my dear students. As your PTA president, it's an honor to celebrate this annual day, a reminder of the hard work and unity of our strong school family. Congratulations to all our students for their effort and growth. Keep believing in yourselves. I offer sincere thanks to our teachers, the pillars whose patience and guidance shape the future, and to all parents for your continuous support as trust. As we celebrate, let us continue to work together to build an environment everywhere child feels safe, happy, and motivated to do their best. I wish you all a joyful and memorable annual day celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it is time for the prizes to be distributed. I would like to call upon Mrs. Shweta to announce the winners and make this moment an unforgettable one for them.